Hello and welcome to the UTM Student Housing and Residence Life Application Guide video series. The residence application consists of two steps. Step 1 is the Residence Guarantee application, and Step 2 is the UTM Undergrad Academic Year application. This video will focus on Step 1, the Residence Guarantee application. To begin, you will need to visit residence.utoronto.ca and log into StarRez with your UTOR ID or Join ID and password. When you log into StarRez, this is the landing page and includes information about the residence guarantee and what you can do on StarRez. To start your residence guarantee application, you will click on Apply to Residence. The first question to appear asks if you are interested in residence. If you are applying to residence, you will indicate yes and then click Save and Continue. The next question will ask if you are interested in family housing. If you have a spouse, long-term partner, and/or dependent children living with you, you will indicate yes. If you have questions regarding family housing applications, please feel free to contact us at resdesk.utm@utoronto.ca. However, most first-year applicants will indicate no to this question. Then click Save and Continue. You can now start your residence guarantee application by clicking Start. The first page of this application is your personal information. Please verify that it is correct and click Save and Continue. Next is any accessibility needs in residence. Please indicate yes or no if you require accommodations to address a disability-related need relevant to your residence application. Please note that in the UTM Undergrad Academic Year application, you will be given a further opportunity to request specific needs. The next page is information about residence at the University of Toronto, Mississauga. Please read through and check out our website at www.utm.utoronto.ca/housing. Then click Save and Continue. Please note you may have other pages about the University of Toronto St. George campus or the University of Toronto Scarborough campus. Once you have proceeded through all pages, you will be able to submit your application. Keep in mind the reminders listed on this page, such as the deadline to submit the Residence Guarantee application, which is March 31st. Then click Submit your application. You have now finished Step 1 of the UTM residence application process, the Residence Guarantee application. When Step 2, the UTM Undergrad Academic Year application, opens in February, you will receive an email within 5 business days with information about how to complete the next step in the application process. As a reminder, the deadline to submit your Residence Guarantee application is March 31st. We hope this video was helpful in understanding Step 1 of the residence application process. Stay tuned for the next video in this series called UTM Residence Application Process, UTM Undergrad Academic Year.